Welcome! Today I'm showing how to hide photos into a gallery in your Oppo A15S. First of all, open your gallery, not Google Gallery like this standard application, into your Oppo. Then choose your photos, for example this one and this, and on the bottom we got Set as Private button, so click it. And I do this operation firstly in this phone, so need turn on private safe, go into settings. Set a privacy password before using private safe, so set password, maybe enter your password. This password is too common, use OK, verify. Now need enter your security questions. You can change this, for example, father's name, enter Sam or another name, click done in the top right corner. Privacy statement, click agree, and now click done. Now need give access for private safe, click back, and one more time back. Now let's try again. This one photos and this one, click at set as private, and how you can see, successfully set as private these two photos. For opening these photos, need to press and hold in the top of your photos, albums and another folder, and set and enter privacy password. And how you can see, these two photos in privacy folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.